What's up? My name is Caela and my sign name is Caela. Today I want to talk about something I've been seeing a lot actually, and it is people saying they know sign language or like their child knows American Sign Language just because they know a couple signs. I know a lot of baby signs are just that, baby signs. So just because you know like finished or yes or no or bathroom does not mean you know American Sign Language. I don't know why it's like, I feel like it's only with American Sign Language people say this, because just because I know a couple words in a different language doesn't mean I know the whole language. So I wouldn't go around saying, yeah, I know French because I know oui, or just French words in general. I don't know the whole language, and American Sign Language is a community and culture, not just a language. So yeah, can we stop normalizing people saying, yeah, my kid knows American Sign Language or I know American Sign Language when you just know bathroom. And that's actually a kid sign. When you grow up, you say restroom. So